Hello and happy weekend everyone! Today I am going to show you how to make this miniature watermelon. You can find the materials in the description box below. So these are the colors that we will be using, and I will try to explain it as best as I can because getting the right color is actually the most difficult part. Begin by mixing the following polymer clay: red, a little bit of orange, and translucent white to make the first color, which is the one I'm holding. Below is the estimated ratio of this color. Make enough of this mixture because half of this will be used as the main flesh and the other half will be used to create another color. Now that you have the first color, slice this into half and set the other half aside. To create the second color, add more orange and translucent white to the first color to create a much lighter red. Slice less than half of the second color and add white and translucent white to create the third color, which will be lighter than the other first two. Next, take a big portion of white and mix this with a small amount of the third color to create the fourth color, which is a light pink. Once you have all the colors, you can start wrapping the main color. So create a cylindrical form on your main color and wrap this with the second color. Then wrap the third color. I actually fell short here, but I still have the leftover, so I'm just gonna fill the gap with the same color. Then lastly, wrap it with the lightest color. Then I used two different green colors for the skin. The first one, I mixed it with green, yellow lemon, more white, and a little bit of translucent to create a light green color. Then, for the last strip, I made it much darker than the first green by adding less white on the green polymer clay. These last two colors are easy to mix, so hopefully there won't be any problem. Once you have wrapped everything, trim both ends of the clay and try to level them as much as you can, because if you don't do this, it will create a deep empty hole as you start rolling and reducing the size of the clay. Next, press the sides of the clay together with the palms of your hands or your fingers to close any gaps between the layers. Then you can start rolling it and reduce the size. Now this is the size that I wanted, and I am going to slice this to half to see how the middle looks like. So here's how it is. There's a hole or gap in the middle, and it could be because the clay wasn't conditioned well or I didn't give enough pressure during the pressing stage. But I won't worry about it because I can fill it with the leftover clay or press the log together carefully to close the holes. Anyway, I am satisfied with the size of it, so I'm going to start making the half watermelon. So take a small slice from the main cane and close the end to make a dome shape, and smoothen it out using a ball tool or your finger. Don't forget to add texture using toothbrush or steel brush. Using an X-Acto knife, make small slits on the watermelon. Add seeds using black clay. For the seeds arrangement, avoid adding seeds in the center of the watermelon and don't put too much seeds. Then you can set them aside. To make the watermelon slices, just cut about 3 millimeters thick clay from the cane. Then slice it as many times as you want. Separate the pieces and add texture on the flesh. After adding the texture, add 2 or 3 seeds to each slice. Then bake the clay completely. Once the clay is baked and cool, you can add green acrylic paint and just paint the outer side of the watermelon in a zigzag motion. And lastly, you can arrange the watermelon however you want, and I also made several arrangements using different plates and serving tray. And also don't forget to add gloss. If you have the double or triple gloss, use that one because this will make the watermelon looks like it is juicy. So that's it, guys. I hope the instruction is not very confusing, and thank you for watching this video. Good luck and have fun with your new project. Bye bye and see you next time.